Let me tell you now about how the course has been designed, because we understand that your time is precious, and we've tried to, as much as possible, maximize the amount of interaction and also minimize the burden on you to prepare. So here we go. We've got 4 modules, each one dealing with a slightly different aspect of the financing or economics associated with buying in renewables. Each time we're going to work through a series of video lectures, a series of readings, but really the main action in this course is around 2 things. The first is a series of chats that we'll be encouraging you to undertake with your learning team in order to share perspectives, share data, and start to get to grips with how you all understand this problem. Every week during the first 4 weeks of the course, we'll have a live session, and this is really the heart of the course. It's where everything comes together and all of the readings and videos and activities really crystallize. Each one of these live sessions, it's crucially important that you participate. We know that your time is precious. We know that you have other demands, but we've designed this course to be by practitioners for practitioners. And in that way, hope that you'll make these dates available into your calendar over the coming weeks. Now, the entire philosophy of this course is around executive education. That means that we're going to be trying to minimize the burden, but maximize the impact. That said, there is a certain minimum amount of engagement that we'll need from you each week. The learning content has been designed to be about 5 hours on average. Some days it'll be more and some days it'll be less. And upon successful completion, we'll have a certificate that lets everyone in the world know that you've done executive education at one of the world's great universities. And I've got a bit of good news before we get started, which is in this course there is no final exam and there are no unannounced pop quizzes. There is, however, a really important assignment. As you progress through the course, the final deliverable working with your learning cohort is to design a strategic plan for a large corporate buyer in India based in a particular state. And now that's a way in which we reflect all of these learnings and design a 10-year strategy that reflects not just the challenges, but the great opportunities in this space.